world where corals are facing increasing threats, a wave of hope emerges. In this episode, discover how corals meet AI and robotic boats. Find out how these high-tech tools can catalyze coral recovery and conservation on a large scale. Leading this project is Professor Peter Harrison from Southern Cross University. His research team spans across Australia and the Maldives. Following successful projects in the Philippines and at the Great Barrier Reef, this project aims to empower local communities on coral restoration in the Maldives. To do so, the team is training local stakeholders to use fine mesh nets to capture coral eggs and sperm, which will be strategically crossed to produce robust, genetically diverse coral larvae. These larvae are then grown on natural limestone tiles and transported to degraded reefs to mature into adult corals. Local stakeholders in the Maldives are trained to use AI and satellite imaging and a remote-controlled submersible robot to map reefs, monitor bleaching responses, and assess genetic diversity of corals. The new floating larval bot also delivers larvae to their new homes, ensuring efficient and targeted restoration. CORDAP is fueling numerous research initiatives through the Coral Accelerator program to secure a safe future for corals. Join us next time as we continue to unlock the science and innovation needed to save corals and reefs worldwide.